National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Pickens County in north-central Georgia, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carter Cay, or near Ellijay, and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include East Ellijay, Sequoia Lake, Talna, Carter Cay, Roy, and Fawcett Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.